Rome Communities is Australia's first mental health nursing charity and is staffed by 2 full-time nurse practitioners and volunteers. Club 5 will enable Rome Communities to grow into a centre of excellence in mental health recovery. For $5 a week, you can help create services for those who need it most.
We don't get a lot of government support and rely on the donations of family, friends and the local community to build this service. It's a very popular service and we've currently got about a 7-day wait for people to get an appointment. We'd love to employ more staff, but to do this we really need the local community and the community of South West Sydney to give us a hand so that we can move towards our vision of establishing a centre of excellence in mental health recovery in South West Sydney.
I don't think it's too much to ask people to donate $5 a week when it is such a vital service to our community.
I know that they are very short funded. I know that they have problems continuing this and maintaining the professionalism and guidance and direction that they give us in counselling. I know that they are under threat that they may have to close, which would be a total kick in the arse to all of us attending. And I would hope that not only the federal government, but also everybody out there would be only too willing to put their hands in their pocket and make some sort of donation towards this particular centre to ensure the ongoing service that Toby and Matthew and hopefully further staff can provide. If this was to close, it would be crap.
In terms of clinical staff or employees, there's only 2 of us at the moment. We would look to expand that, which would allow us to offer a vaster or greater number of clinical services, so we could serve a greater number of people in the community. So that would be the short-term goals, would be to expand our services. Long-term goal would be, again, expand the services but quite significantly and roll out this model statewide and even national-wide.
Without being a part of our community, there is nothing that these people feel like that they are able to do. If they're not doing something, then we have more suicides, we have more kids slashing themselves, we have more kids that are depressed, not being able to fit in, feeling lousy. If we don't put our hands in our pockets and just give a little, what comes around goes around and karma catches up with you. So come on, reach in deep.
So the idea that something like this may not exist for me and other people is rather concerning. So I'd really encourage people to get involved with the Give 5 scheme. 1 in 5 people suffer from mental health problems and I think $5 is extremely affordable. So yeah, I'd encourage people to get involved.
I just wish that we could snap our fingers and raise a lot of money, because it's certainly going to a very, very, very worthy cause.
One of the problems here is that people just don't often think that there are mental health charities out there that are doing great work that actually could benefit.
For $5 a week, you can help create services for those who need it most. People with a mental illness can restore their health, they can regain employment and they can reach their potential. But they need access to clinical services including psychiatry, psychotherapy and social advocacy, and it needs to be provided freely every day of the year for people of all ages. This is the dream of Rome Communities, and for $5 a week, you can bring hope.